Moving to the last equation for today. Question 7, sub-question D. NaOH plus H2SO4 giving you Na2SO4 plus H2O. So students, it is sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid giving you sodium sulfate plus water. Now we have to balance this equation. So we start with the table. Elements, reactants, products. Have a quick look at all the steps needed for balancing the equation. Students, in this equation we can see the distributed atom on both the sides. Here we have hydrogen as well as oxygen in sodium hydroxide as well as sulfuric acid. Similarly, when you see on the product side, you have oxygen in water as well as sodium sulfate. So whenever you see the same element in more than one compound, you will never start with that element initially. Never select that, the element which is a distributed atom in the reactant side or the product side. Now we begin. First we list the elements: sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Now let's count. Sodium 1, oxygen 1 plus 4, 5, hydrogen 1 plus 2, 3, and sulfur 1. Now let's go to the product side. Sodium 2, oxygen 4 plus 1, 5, hydrogen 2, and sulfur 1. Students, what do we observe? Oxygen and sulfur are balanced. What is unbalanced? Sodium and hydrogen. Now let's start with that compound which has more elements or more atoms. Na2SO4. So if you see sodium and sulfur, they are balanced. Oxygen is also balanced and hydrogen is unbalanced, and sodium on the left hand side. We begin with the simplest one. 1 2s are 2. So what do? We place 2 in front of NaOH and write the equation, and then we start counting the atoms again. So 2Na, 2 plus 4, 6 oxygen, 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen, and 1 sulfur. Now let's see the table again. Sodium balanced, sulfur still balanced, oxygen and hydrogen have unbalanced. Now from oxygen and hydrogen, hydrogen is the simplest. So 2 2s are 4. So on the product side, where do you place 2? Correct. Where we see hydrogen. We don't find hydrogen here, but in H2O. So this 2 on the product side will be placed in front of H2O, and the equation will look like 2NaOH plus 2H2SO4, 2NaOH plus H2SO4 giving you Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Now once again count the atoms. 2Na2, 2Na, 4 and 2, 6 oxygen, 2 2s are 4 hydrogen, and 1 sulfur. So what do we see, students? The atoms of each and every element are equal. So the equation is balanced. Now let's write the balanced equation with the physical states. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 giving you Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid and sodium sulfate all are in aqueous form and water is in liquid form. So students, hope that you have understood all the equations and the balancing with the necessary steps. It is very important to see in the exam how many marks the question has been asked for. Sometimes it may come for 1 mark, sometimes it may come for 2 marks. So students, according to the number of marks and also the question, sometimes they tell you to balance the equation stepwise. So then all this working has to be shown. Or if it is a 1 mark question, you look over here and by the time you practice many equations, you will be able to actually do the balancing with a pencil, and then once when you are sure that all the atoms are balanced on both the sides, you can ink it and write the final equation. So you must be wondering, where is question 7C? Well students, question 7C is omitted, and today for your homework, please do the following 3 equations. Before you start balancing the following 3 equations as homework, click on the following link for a quick recap, so it helps you and you become more confident in solving these 3 equations in homework. Thank you.